Okay. Three to six. So we are using the chords we have learned.
seseme, oh konkron seseme. Mamenye bura, ubetu miasemunso, amawana sukomde.
So all I was just doing is playing around the chords I've already told you and I've already taught you. Again, Mame 6, then 5, ura, ube to me 4, asa usio. This is a third, but this is the second inversion. Remember, this is the root, this is the first inversion, second inversion. So based on the song and the way the song is, you have to go this way. Fa is the root, first inversion, second inversion. We are bringing it to a lower octave. So we have but what I'm adding there to spice the song, basically, is I call it a call off. So we have it just hits the next note. So you could say call on to that note. So you could do again. You get it? Let's take it again.
Mamenye bura, ubetu miasemunso, amawana sukomde.
Again, last one.
Mamenye bura, ubetu miasemunso, amawana sukomde.
I hope you pick one or two things from this, and I know you're going to get better with time. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.